Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you what I did on my 21st day in this 100 days of coding challenge. Coding for 1 hour has become a habit for me. Yesterday I worked on the searching part of the recipe app, right? Now whenever we click on the meals image, I must display its recipe including those respective ingredients. So let's work on this part. Tomorrow I will continue with the other part of it. So this is what I learned today. If you have any doubts, if you want me to explain any part of the program, let me know through comments. If you want my code, then I uploaded it in the GitHub. The link will be in the description. Go and check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from my 100 days of coding challenge journey and other interesting coding stuff. Thank you.